Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host.
Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Janey Cline. She's the Family and Consumer Sciences Agent in Hart County. Good morning, Janey.
Good morning, Kristi. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Well, great.
Well, today you are going to talk to us about a fast-growing kitchen trend, and that is induction cooking.
Yes. Actually, induction cooking was experimented with back in the 1890s, but it wasn't really introduced into the public until the 1970s, and then it kind of disappeared, and now it's reappearing. And it's a very interesting subject. It's very energy efficient. We were speaking earlier, it's about 90 to 95% energy efficient, where like gas or electric are around the 50%. So that's quite a bit of a difference.
It is, very much so. And like you said, it's a very interesting technology. And that's exactly what it is. It's a technology.
Yes, yes. Actually, this is a portable induction stovetop. And it actually works from the magnetic field, kind of interacts with the cookware itself, so that it remains very cool all the way around your burner. And so it's very safe in that it, you know, like if I don't have something on my burner, it doesn't actually cook or it doesn't heat. So very safe for like children and that type thing. The disadvantage to this is that the appliances are very expensive to purchase, and also you need special cookware. Most of the time you can get something that is like your iron skillets and that type thing. They're coming back. I love my iron skillets. But they will interact with the induction cooktop and will put off some great heat. The one thing about using your iron cookware is you need to be careful when you set that down on there, because we are looking at a ceramic top, and so it would be really easy for that to break. Your stainless steel cookware is great for that, but you need to test it out just to make sure that it will work, because it does need to have a magnetic field. And one of the easiest ways, grab your refrigerator magnet and just stick it to the bottom of it.
That I saw a demonstration a few weeks back on induction cooking, and they said that the best way is to grab a magnet.
Right, yeah. And not all cookware will work. See, this one doesn't have that magnetic field, so it will slide right off. So you'll know that this one does not work with your induction cooktop.
I've even seen someone lay a paper towel on the induction top and it won't get hot.
No, because once you remove your pan, it cools off. It's just like very, very cool to the touch. Also, one of the things I like about it compared to, say, gas, which I cook with gas and I love my gas. Don't believe me, I do. But anyway, one of the difference is that gas is really hot around it. You know, like you may burn yourself as you're putting a pan on or something like that. But this is very cool all the way around the surface.
It is. So there's many benefits to induction cooking. And I like how you said there's pros and cons. So I think it's good that people do a little bit of research before maybe testing out, because it is a very neat technology, but might not be for some people.
Right, exactly. And like I mentioned before, it is rather expensive to get into. So, I mean, you're going to have quite a bit of an investment, but in the end, it will pay off because of the energy savings.
Right. Now, Janey, is there any kind of information at the Extension office on induction cooking?
Yes, we have a pub available at all the Extension offices that you can just come in and we'll be glad to share with you. There's other information, but this one particular one I really recommend, and I will actually send that out to all the agents so they'll know which publication I'm talking about that I recommend.
Great. So we'll have that information. There's an extension office in every county in Kentucky, so it's a great place to contact for resources. Now, Janey, do you know about how much these induction cooktops run?
Well, if you're talking about the portable ones,
Yes.
they're around $100.
Okay.
So, but you know, like I probably would only recommend this if I were like in an apartment or something like that. I mean, you're going to want to go on with your cooktops and have that inserted in.
Well,
so.
thank you so much, Janey. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.
If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.